Columbia Machine Engineering India Private Limited has more than 400 plants working in India and all over the world.
We design and build machines and molds to suit every customer's requirements. These molds can be as simple as a simple repair mode or even the most complicated glass papers as well as hidden wall blocks.
As a planning team, we assure that every project has been delivered on time.
Source the best components globally and locally, ensuring every Columbia machine is efficient, reliable, and lasts long.
Myself, Prakash Sharma, Production Manager of Columbia Machine Engineering Division. In Columbia Machine Engineering Division, we build the machine with the assurance of quality, durability, and precision. So it is the first machine, or it is the 400 machine. Quality never test machines.
At Columbia, quality is not just a step, it is at the core of everything we do. Each machine undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to assure it meets global standards because we believe consistency is the foundation of trust.
We have learned through our experience in customer support department, people may forget what you said, people may also forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. We are still supporting plants we installed 20 plus years ago.
The plant we installed shares the success story of our customers to the whole world. We share these success stories of our customers to our prospects and other major players in India through customer commits, seminars, exhibitions, and meetings.
Molds are the unseen hand behind the beauty of concrete products. Columbia molds are used successfully all over the world. With OEM molds, you certainly get perfect machine plus mold compatibility. So right from the standard pavers to complex shapes, interlocking pavers, solid, hollow blocks, and many more customized solutions we offer.
What is the milestone of Columbia Machine India for the next year? It is 1000 machine plus all across the India. Let us build the future together and manufacture the machines
built on trust, powered by innovation. Columbia Machine India, more your concrete products partner for life.